So I am getting ready to replace this caulking around the RV tub. I noticed that there were little beads of water behind this clear caulking here when we were camping this weekend. So, and it is starting to get some of the dark color. So I am going to remove all of this old caulking and replace it, because we are getting ready to move in to the RV in about 3 weeks. So I'm going to try to have everything ready to go, and it's needing replaced anyway. So I am going to be using this tool here. It's supposed to be easier to get the old caulking off of the shower wall. This end will help apply it. As you can see, it's got the corner angle going on there. So you just go along and get a nice, smooth, final look. So here we go. Oh, let's go ahead and get a close-up of this. So it scrapes it out pretty good there. So there's what we have. Nope. I'm just kind of pulling off now that I got it started. I'll just go ahead and pull the rest off. Keep going here. It's actually coming off pretty easy. The corners are just a little difficult to do. Caulk snakes. Okay, so here's what I'm going to go ahead and use to re-caulk the shower and tub area. It's 100% silicone. I actually prefer the clear, but I already had the white and it's mostly full, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the white this time. And it says that it is ready in 30 minutes. So if you're in a hurry to take a shower, you can do it in 30 minutes. It says it will not shrink, crack, break down, wash away, or yellow. So we'll see about that. So anyway, here we go. I don't know, it says it's low odor, but I can sure smell it quite a bit. It's got that chemical kind of plastic smell to it, and it's pretty strong. So I'd hate to see what a high odor one would smell like. All right, all finished here. There's a little lump. All right, Doesn't look too bad. Could be worse, could be better. But you know what? Best of all, it's done. And it looks new, so yeehaw! Another project completed. What do you guys think? Think girls can do caulking too, or leave it to the guys? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Thanks for watching.